Hello, my crafty friends. It's Ellie from Periwinkle Matilda. I am doing an unboxing for the company IMOON, and they have a website, and they offered to send me products to do an unboxing collaboration, and I will be doing some crafting with the items that they sent me, so that I can show you what fun things you can do with the items. So I only just opened the package and I haven't opened anything yet. So let me open up. This looks like it might be a note. I will also put in the description box below the items that I received and where you can find them on their website in case you want to check that out. So, nice little package here. Oh, how sweet is that? Okay, I think that's everything. So it's a little thank you tag with some stamps, seals, very cute. So let's start the unboxing. And the first item that I received was a embossing folder. I think it's beautiful. It's got flowers and then this box design. I think it's going to be really nice to emboss paper. So we'll be doing a little bit of that with my Sizzix in very soon, maybe tomorrow, so that we can see how this works. And I received these plant flower stamps. They're rubber stamps. They're really nice. So we'll be doing some crafting with that as well. Can't wait to try those. And then I got two more stamps. I love fairies, flower fairies. And whoop, they are flower fairies. This one's actually 2 pieces. Very cute. Love it. So I'll be working with these as well. I think that's it. That's what I got. So stay tuned for the next video for IMOON, where I will be making some projects with these things, so I can show you how I can do a review on how they work and what they do. So thank you again for joining me. Have a great rest of your day. Stay safe, be well, and all that good stuff. Until the next video. Bye-bye, friends.